Hello, this is Nancy from Vicky Company, and today I'm very happy to have this opportunity to introduce our main products, earphones, to you. I will introduce the whole production process of the earphones. Before we start the mass production line, we will confirm all the raw materials with our supplier before they leave. Next will be the installation of the charging dock for the earphones. And before we start the mass production line, we need to install the small accessories in the earphone. In next step, we will install the home to the earphones. And here is the battery of our TWS earphones, and we will install this battery with the PCB boards for the TWS earphones. And we will put all the components to the shell. We will also check the appearance of the finished products after apply the glue to the earphones. After the whole street testing process, we will start to pack the products. It's the end of the introduction of our earphones today. Many thanks for your watching and see you next time.